Hey y'all, so today we have a little bit of gardening going on, little HGTV style things going on today. I have my little helper with me. He's going to be helping me to just prune, and right now, as you can see, I'm trying to dig up this mint leaf. It was super duper hard, did not want to come up. I was there for probably about like 15 minutes trying to pull this thing up. I know, crazy, right? But I'm finally able to get it up, and baby, we about to have some like nice little mints. So I was able to put it in 2 separate containers temporarily until I decide to like plant it somewhere. And here it goes right here. Finally, it's up. Yay. Look at that. So beautiful. I love it. Now, the mint leaf will go into its own pot, temporarily, of course. Here, we're going to clean and prune the tomatoes. Now, we have a little bit more pruning action going on. This is our lemon plant, so we're going to get that cleaned up. Watching someone prune is just as satisfying as it is to actually prune the trees and plants yourself. I don't know. What do you think? Now I have my super helper helping to go ahead and get those plants nice and hydrated, because it's been a few days since I actually, took the time out to take care of them. And so luckily he was there to give me some help. So that's it, guys. That's all.